right, guys, today we're going to do another day of substitution, but there's going to be one thing. It's the same thing as yesterday, except we need to get a variable alone first in order to substitute it into the other equation. And let me show you what I mean. So number one, take a look at number one. Remember, the first step is to try to find a variable that's alone, but in number one, I don't see anything alone yet. So we're going to have to get one of them alone first. So I'm going to try to get this y alone. So if you want to get this y alone, you're going to have to add the 2x to the other side first. Okay? And then look, it's y equals negative 13 plus 2x. Now y is alone. But you have to get it alone in order to make the substitution. Okay, now we're good to go. Now it's just like yesterday. Into the other equation, y is going to come out, and this is going to go in its place. Okay, so it's 4x minus 6 times y, but y is really negative 13 plus 2x, and that still equals 14. So it's the same thing we did yesterday, except you had to get y alone first in order to sub it in. All right, go ahead and solve. So we got to distribute. We're distributing a negative 6. So it's 4x minus, I think that's 78, and then minus 12x equals 14. And then we have some like terms. 4x minus 12x is negative 8x minus 78 equals 14. And then to finish solving, draw the wall, add 78, add 78. We get negative 8x equals 92. And then divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8. So x ends up being negative 7. And then we got to plug it back in to find y. So if x is negative 7, we can plug it in right here. And y is going to be negative 13 plus 2 times negative 7. And if you work that out in the calculator, negative 13 plus 2 times negative 7, that is negative 27. Okay, so we got x and we got y. So our final answer is the ordered pair, negative 7 comma negative 27. All right, when you're ready, let's do one more. Okay, example 2. No variable is alone yet, so let's get one alone. And I'm going to choose this x here. So if I want to get this x alone, I'm going to have to add the 4y to the other side. So then x is really 2 plus 4y. That is now alone. And then I'm just going to cross this off then. Once I rewrite it, you could just forget about it. Okay, so x is 2 plus 4y. So now, in the other equation, we're going to rewrite it, but instead of writing the x, we're going to sub this in its place. Okay, because if x is 2 plus 4y, then the x comes out and the 2 plus 4y comes in. So we're at 3 times. All right, well, x is now 2 plus 4y. And then the rest of the problem stays the same. Okay, so we're at 3 times 2 plus 4y minus y equals negative 16. We're going to distribute, combine like terms, and solve. So if we distribute the 3, we're at 6 plus 12y minus y equals negative 16. And then we got some like terms. 12y minus 1y is 11y. So we're at 6 plus 11y equals negative 16. And then keep going, draw the wall. Minus 6 minus 6. We have 11y equals negative 22. Divide by 11, divide by 11. And y is negative 2. Great. Now we got to find x. So if y is negative 2, we're going to plug it in for y. And to find x, it's going to be 2 plus 4 times negative 2. So what is that? 2 plus 4 times negative 2. If you need a calculator, go for it. 2 plus 4 times negative 2, that's negative 6. So x is negative 6. All right, final answer is the ordered pair, negative 6 comma negative 2. All right, nice job, guys. Homework's the same thing. You just got to get a variable alone first and then do substitution. All right, thanks. Good luck.